Hello, all my loving kids. How are you? I think you all are fine. Now today I am explaining class 9 NCERT Mathematics second chapter. That is the chapter polynomial. Terms related to the polynomials. The first, what is polynomial, you have to know. If exponent of a variable is an algebraic expression is a whole number, it is called a polynomial. Whole number means an example is here, x square plus 3x plus 4. X exponent of x is 2, 1 and it is 0. These all are whole number, so it is called a polynomial. A function px of the form in the form of a0 means a term a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube and dash 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 an x to the power n. This is the general form of a polynomial, where a1, a2 are the real numbers and n is non-negative integers, that is the whole number must be. Examples of polynomials. X square plus 3x plus 4 already I have given, that is the over integers because the coefficient are 1, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4 are integers. 2 upon 3 x square plus x plus 5 is a polynomial over rationals of as the coefficient 2 upon 3, 1 and 5 are the rational number. Again 2x square plus root 3x minus root 5 is a polynomial over reals as the exponents 2, root 3 and root 5 are the real number because these three are the examples of polynomial. Now example of non-polynomial. 1 upon x means it is x to the power minus 1. Ax plus 1 upon x, ax plus x to the power minus 1. So where the exponent are negative, it is not polynomial. Then this term, this. Since the power are negative or fraction, it is not a polynomial. These are not polynomial. Terms related to the polynomial. If 3x square first term plus 4x second term plus 5 third term. So there are three terms. It is 3x square, 4x and 5 are called the terms. So 4x plus 1, it is 2 terms, similarly it's 3 terms and this one is 4 terms. So these are called the terms. Coefficient. Coefficient are the number with variable terms are called the coefficient. So coefficient of x cube is 2, x square minus 4, x minus 5 and x to the power 0 is 3. These are coefficients. Constant polynomial. If a polynomial px in the form of only number is equal to 4 or equal to 0, it is called the constant polynomial or constant polynomial. And if x is equal to polynomial of x is equal to 0, it is called the zero polynomial. Now standard form of polynomial. If the exponent 3, 2, 1, 0, that means it is a descending order. Here 1 x to the power 0, x to the power 1, x to the power 2, x to the power 3. It is a ascending order. When the exponent in ascending order or descending order, they are called the standard form of polynomial. But if it is not in ascending or descending, in any order it is, that is called the not standard form, but it is a polynomial. But it is not standard form. In this case, we have to change this in descending order, that is the form of polynomial. Special name of polynomials. If the number of terms is 1 is called the monomial. Mono means 1. So polynomial of 1 terms is called monomial. Px is equal to x or py is equal to 5y square. The single terms it is. Single term it is monomial. If there are 2 terms, 4x minus 1, it is binomial. If there are 3 terms, it is called the 3 terms. It is called the trinomials. So it is monomial, binomial, trinomial. There are 3 types of polynomials. Types of polynomials, 3 types: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Linear polynomial is where the exponent is only 1. It is called linear polynomial. The polynomial of degree 1 is called the linear polynomial. And its general form is ax plus b. Quadratic polynomial whose degree is 2, means highest degree is 2, ax square plus bx plus c. It is the general form, and example is 3x square plus 4x minus 3. Cubic polynomial. Polynomial of degree 3 is called the cubic polynomial. It is general form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. And the example is 5x cube plus x plus 1. Here I have not given x square terms. It is also cubic polynomial as the highest degree is 3. Now, zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial are the possible numbers for which the value of the polynomial is 0. Value of the polynomial is 0 when then it is called the zeros of polynomial. So, zeros of polynomial are also called the roots of the polynomial. Number of zeros, here example has given 4x plus 3, 2x square plus 5x plus 3. These are the example. Here you check it. Degree of x here is 1. So there only 1 0 means value of x is 1 only. 1 value you will get. Degree of variable is 2. So in this it is this quadratic polynomial. So 2 zeros we can get. Degree is 3, so we can get 3 zeros here. Next, the chapter polynomial according to the questions. NCERT book exercise 2.1 class 9. Now first question, which of the following expression are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Polynomial of one variable, only x is there, is variable terms. So, one variable and it is the power of x is whole number. It is 2, 1 and 0 whole number. So, it is a polynomial. Same it is y to the power 2 and it is y to the power 0. So, it is also a polynomial. 3 under root t. Under root t means t to the power half. T to the power 1. So as the fraction is, power is, degree is half means fraction. So it is not a polynomial. Y plus 2 upon 3. 2 upon y means y to the power minus 1. As power of variable is negative, it is not also a polynomial. X to the power 10, y to the power 3, t to the power 50. There are 3 algebraic terms. So it is a polynomial, but there are 3 terms of 3 terms. Now 3 variables. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Coefficient means coefficient of x square. The numerical terms with x square we have to find. So nothing is there, nothing means it is 1. So x square, coefficient of x square is 1. Same, coefficient of x square is minus 1. It is minus 1. Coefficient of x square pi upon 2. Pi upon 2. Coefficient of x square. Now, x square term has not given here. So we will write coefficient of x square is 0. Next. Give an example each of a binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. Simple. X to the power 35 plus 5, degree 35. It is monomial. So y to the power 100. You can take x instead of xy. You can take z, p, anything you can take it. Write the degree of each of the following polynomial. Degree means highest degree. It is x to the power 3, 3. X square 2. It is t to the power 1. It is 1. It is nothing, no x. It is 0. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and the cubic polynomial. Linear, it is power 2. It is degree 2. So it is quadratic polynomial. Degree 3, cubic polynomial. It is degree 2, quadratic. Degree 1, linear. Degree 1, linear. Degree 2, quadratic. Degree 3, cubic. Now this exercise is finished. You next has given an assignment here of 10 marks. You will do this assignment in your same classwork copy.